Hey guys, it's Amanda. I wanted to make a quick video just to show you how to navigate the website and pick out your products. So when you click the link that I have given you guys, you're going to land on a website, on my website, and it's going to look like this. So you'll be able to have a section to click. Interested in hosting a party, you can check out information there. Interested in join, you can check out information here, and the incentive trip that GelMoment's distributors get to take. We also have some of our new products here with the scrubs that you can check out, and then some of our popular products down here. So go ahead and click shop, and then this will land you on, this section has all the polishes. If you click on it, you can pick out all the different colors. One of the great things about the website, we just updated to not only have these little dots. Don't go by the color on the dots. Definitely click on it and look at the in real life color. This is dark light. This is the color that is the color of the month. It's on sale, 20% off. So you'll see that looks a little bit different than it does in the dot. So definitely check out those real life pictures. I will also post some of those in the events as well. But you can go back and you can check out some of the completely optional top coats. You don't need a top coat to use GelMoments, but we do sell some top coats that are really fun. We have one that will make your polish completely matte because all of our polishes dry to a super shiny finish, which is beautiful. But you can also add some glittery effects. We have a couple three different glitters that you can do as well. So those are completely optional. You can check those out as well. We have our nail spa section, which we have nail oils and treatments. Our lamp section, where you can see here, you can check out the 3 different types of lamps that we provide. We have accessories here. If you're purchasing a kit, you're probably going to get all the accessories you need. There's some extras in here that you can check out. If you're into nail art and making some really fun things, like you can see here, sorry it's dark, but I made a shamrock on my nails and I used the dotting tool just to make the quick shamrock, and that would be under our nail art section. We also have 3D embossing, and we have rhinestones and all kinds of stuff in there. Here's the hair section where you can check out the shampoo, conditioner, and the hair oil. We have our body section, which is where you'll find the body scrubs and some lotions. We have the face section, which you'll find, we have an amazing face mask that's in there. Beauty section has our lip stains. And we have a loose tea section. We actually sell some amazing loose teas, so if you're a tea drinker, definitely check into that. But you're probably going to want to go straight to the kits and collections, and I'll tell you why. If you are not familiar with GelMoments, this is where you'll find the kits that you want to pick up. So we have a beginner's kit, which is right here, and this you will get 1 polish. You will get a beginner's travel lamp, which allows you to use 2 fingers at a time. It has the USB, which is awesome, so you can take it with you in the car, and you can actually do it in airports. I've seen people do it on the plane. I've seen people do it in hotel rooms. Our polishes don't have a strong smell to it, so it's safe to do around other people without driving them crazy. You will get your nail prep pads to clean your nails and your removers when you need to remove it. You get a small nail file and buffer. You get a nail pusher. You get to choose all your colors for these. It's totally customizable. You're going to get samples of the hair products and samples of the skincare line. So the professional, the only difference between the beginner and the professional is you get the larger lamp. So the larger lamp is really great. I highly encourage you to get this because even though our manicure system's really quick, this allows you to do it even faster because you can cure 4 nails at a time, or you can put your entire foot in to do a pedicure. So you get the Pro lamp, you get to choose which color you want. You also get 3 colors instead of 1. You get our amazing nail oil. I highly recommend using this. This really is going to take care of those dry cuticles and make your nails look fabulous all the time. You get extra nail files and buffers, which these are great to pop in your purse and have with you all the time. You get the nail prep pads and nail removers, as well as a sample of the hairline and the lotions and skincare line. We also have a deluxe kit normally, but right now it's out of stock. This has the deluxe lamp in it, which automatically turns on and has a counter to count it down. It's similar to the Pro, except the Pro doesn't come on automatically. You have to push the button. You also get a couple extra accessories in this kit, but unfortunately it is sold out right now. We have a create your own collection where you can pick out 11 different polishes for the price of 10. We have some tea gift sets, some nail art, lip stains that you can get in a set of 2 or a set of 4. And then we have some more tea sets down here. Our French manicure set, unfortunately, is sold out. You can get all 3 colors to create your French manicure at home. The only thing is that this particular set that has all 3 in it is sold out. But if you go back to the colors or create your own collection, you can get those 3 colors individually and you'll still be able to do it. So if you have any questions about that, just drop it below and I will be happy to help.